In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Cloudflare not verifying. Sometimes you might encounter issues with Cloudflare not verifying your actions or identity, and that can be quite inconvenient, especially if you're trying to access or manage your account promptly. But worry not, as we'll walk through some straightforward steps to get everything sorted out. First off, let's address the initial action you should take. Click on Resend Verification. This option is typically found in the email request section or within the verification prompt that you're dealing with. It's a quick and easy way to generate a new verification email. By doing this, you allow Cloudflare to send a fresh link to your registered email address, which could be just what you need to resolve any issues caused by a previous email or link that might have gone stale or didn't process correctly. Once you've clicked Resend Verification, it's time to check your email for the new verification link. But wait, it's not just about any email. Make sure to head over to your profile. This is usually found within the account settings or profile management section of the platform. Look carefully for an option that says something like Send Verification Email and use it to issue a new link. By navigating through my profile, you ensure that the system recognizes your request as valid and processes a new verification link directly from your account dashboard. That can often solve many of the hiccups experienced with previous attempts. If you click the link and it doesn't seem to work still, don't lose hope. Sometimes the problem might be with the browser you're using rather than with Cloudflare itself. In cases like these, I recommend trying to access the link through a different browser. When switching browsers, opt for ones you don't regularly use, ensuring they don't have cached data or saved sessions that might conflict with the verification process. An alternative approach is to open the link in a private or incognito window. These sessions do not store any browsing history or cookies beyond the current session, which can be beneficial in bypassing temporary data that might impede the verification process. Simply open a new private browsing window, paste the verification link, and proceed with the verification. This fresh start often clears the standard bugs encountered due to residual cache or previous session details. With these steps, you have a robust strategy to overcome Cloudflare verification issues. Patience and methodic troubleshooting can lead the way to solving these hiccups. Thank you for watching, and hopefully, you now feel confident in tackling verification issues with ease. Make sure to visit our channel for more helpful guides like this one.